In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert audio into a Google Slides presentation. Adding audio is a simple yet powerful way to make your slides more engaging and create an immersive experience for your audience. Let's get started. First, open Google Slides in your web browser. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as all your work will be saved automatically to the cloud. If you're not signed in, log in with your Google account, which is required to access all of Google Slides features. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the homepage where you can view your existing presentations or start a new one. For this tutorial, click on the blank presentation option to open a fresh slide deck. With your new presentation ready, it's time to add your audio. Look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Audio. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to choose an audio file. Your audio must already be uploaded to Google Drive, as Google Slides pulls files directly from there. If it's not uploaded yet, do so before continuing. Browse your Google Drive to locate the audio file you want, then click Select to insert it into your slide. Once added, an audio icon will appear on the slide. This icon is interactive, and anyone viewing the presentation can click it to play the audio. You can reposition the icon by dragging it to your preferred location on the slide. For additional control, select the icon and open the Format Options tab. Here, you can choose whether the audio plays automatically or on click, adjust volume levels, and even set it to loop if desired. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Google Slides presentation. Now you can enhance your slides with music, narration, or sound effects to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Remember, Google Slides automatically saves your work, so your audio-enhanced presentation will be ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.